Hello everyone, welcome back to Lindsay's Builds. So we're going to do the second unboxing. Here we go, coughing. Yeah, so we're going to do the second unboxing of one of the Warhammer kits that I got from Warhammer World. So we'll go down camera and we'll let you take a look. So this one is the Warhammer, the Horus Heresy, and it's the Knight Houses Cerastus Knight Lancier. So it's got a nice box art on it. So I understand this is pretty big when it's built. So definitely be looking forward to building this one. On the side it's got another box art there. That's quite a nice one. Not sure what's on the other side. Oh, that's just got like that, yeah. So I'll let you take a look at the back of the box again. So this is just one illustration and how you can paint it. You can paint it however you like. It's got some other kind of illustrations there. The guide for paint guide. So yeah, I think these flags are going to be a little bit harder to paint, but we'll see how we get on with those. So we'll dive into the box and we'll see what we have. I've actually had this open once, so we'll open the box and turn it that way up and we'll see what we have. There's quite a few more sprues than the last one. So on the first sprue here we have the top part of the mechanical thing. I'm really not sure what all these pieces are, so I take it this is like a control panel when it's inside there, and other bits and pieces. Some parts of a figure here, some hands up here, and there's like other bits and pieces that goes in here. I take it that bit goes in there by the look of it. This is part of the head as well, and there's another part of the figure there, front and back part, back plate and chest plate. And then you've got the head. These are the side pads that goes on the arms at the top. So yeah, quite nicely detailed. Is numbered as well. So yeah, some detail there. I think this is some kind of part of the power mechanism. So yeah, that's that sprue. On this one we've got even more parts. These are part of the armour on here. These are the armour parts, more than these. Lots of other little parts. This is, I take it, this is the back, well, part of the back bit, and there's the front bit with all the mechanisms. Lots of other little goodies. You got your flags. I'm hoping they got decals for these flags. We'll have a look when we get to the decal sheet. I think these are the side parts by the look of it. Front and back top parts. Other little bits of goodies. Lots and lots of detail work, especially in all this pipe work in here. Loads of pipe work in there. So yeah, Same in here really. Lots of other bits and greeblies and pipe work and everything else. Mechanical. So this one's going to be an interesting build. So that's what's on that sprue. On the third sprue you have more parts. This is all to do with the arms and legs and everything else that you put together. So yeah, some more armour parts here with the metal pieces on them. Same here. This emblem is the same as what's on one of these. So yeah, so that's what's on that one. It's just all different types of tiny parts and stuff. So like I said, all to do with the mechanism, I think. So yeah. On the fourth sprue we have I think this is another repeated sprue to the one I've just showed you. So this must be the other side of the mechanical thing. So yeah, so this is just a repeat sprue, this one, but you can kind of see the detail there in them. On the last sprue you have this part here, not sure what this piece is. Then you've got more armour plates, flags and everything else. Not sure what this bit's for, but yeah, looks quite interesting really. Lots of more detail work in it and everything else. Got like chains here. Even more pipe work on this. I take it these are for the weapons. I think this might be part of a weapon. That part there, that long piece here, because there's the sides to it. The actual handle part. Then you've got like joint mechanisms for the joints and everything else. Same on this one, this repeated sprue. Then we come into you have a base, which is a fair size base. It's quite a big base. And then we've got the instructions. Yes. So I think we have the decals for those. Hang on a minute. I think we might have the decals for the flags. I think what I've got to do, I've just got a base, put the main colour in, and then I'll put the decals in. So that's one decal sheet there. Obviously you can't see the white because of the light, the white decals. So that's that one. Then you've got a bigger sheet here of more decals. So there'll be no painting the emblems in, it's all decal work. So that is good. So I'm quite impressed with that. So there's lots of little decals there. You got the house Maccabeus, and then the house Prediaxi, and the house Malaxi, something like that anyway. And then you got the house of Coldshroud, house of Crast, and the house of Veron. So you get quite a few different versions here, which is pretty interesting really. So I'll have to do a little bit of research. So that's the decal sheets. welcome to the instruction booklet. Shows you how to put all the mechanisms together for the legs. Same on this page. So it starts off with the legs first and all the mechanism. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. And then there's like the shields that you put in and everything else. Then you've got like the weapons that you build as well. There's quite a few weapons. That's the weapons page. So I'm just going to be short and sweet with this. Still not too sure about this, what this is. Yeah. Oh, it's a gauntlet shield. Yeah, it says ion gauntlet shield. So that's that part I wasn't too sure about. So yeah, it's pretty interesting, really. And you've got all the rest of your armor plates to put on. Can't see it because of that light. Let me just turn that light out. There we go. So that's how it builds up. So it's pretty interesting, really. So it's just a short little unboxing. I won't ramble on too much about it. It just gives you a basic idea of what's actually in the box, really. So try and keep these decal sheets in the instructions so they don't get damaged. So yeah, it's pretty basic, just for that one anyway. I thought it'd be a bit complicated, but by looking at it, no, it's not that complicated at all. So yeah, a lot of paint work to do. So yeah. So all in all, you get that big base, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sprues. So yeah. So that's what you got in that kit, which is the Horus Heresy Cerastus Knight Lancia. I think there's going to be a lot of detail painting here, so this one's going to take a while to build. It could take about 4 weeks probably to finish it. So yeah, I'm quite looking forward to that one too. So we're going back up camera. So yeah, so that's the second kit that I bought. It's just a quick unboxing. I'm not going to go right into detail showing every little individual part, but you kind of get my drift, if you know what I mean. So hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, so I quite recommend this kit by the look of it, and get it from your Games Workshop store or Games Workshop site. So yeah, so if you like the video, guys, give it a nice thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please take a look if you like what you see. So like I said, I don't just build Warhammer, I build other stuff too, and there's lots of videos, lots of live streams, and yeah, if you do like what you see, only if you like what you see, push the subscription button and the notification bell, and yeah, enjoy them. So I'll say goodbye for now. See you all soon. See you on the next one. Bye bye for now. Bye.